In this video we will show you how to remove malware with Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. First, type Malwarebytes Anti-Malware to Google's search window, and click on the first non-ad link. In the opened website, find free download link, and press it to start the download. Wait for the download to complete, and then open the downloaded installer. Press Yes on the opened pop-up. Select your language and press OK. On the new pop-up, select Agree and install. Press Finish when the installation is complete. You can enable the premium trial, but it's not necessary. To start the scan of the system, just press Scan Now. Now you have to wait until the system is fully scanned and infections are located. When the scan is finished, you will see if your computer is infected. If it is, select All Infections, and press Quarantine Selected. When you do, your computer will be cleaned. That's it, Malwarebytes Anti-Malware just completely cleaned your PC from malware. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our guides channel.